Welcome to WebbyCrown Solutions. This is Odoo in practice, episode 10 of 10, POS and the full picture. Stay until the end. I will tell you what to learn after this series. If you sell at a counter, POS takes the order, takes the payment, and still uses the same products and the same stock. It is not a second cash register database. Email marketing talks to contacts you already store. Dashboards read the same sales and invoices. Settings is where this series began. Company, users, apps. Look at the 10 episodes as one spine. What Odoo is. Setup. Master data. CRM. Sales. Purchase. Inventory. Invoicing. People. Then the extra faces. POS. Mail. Dashboards. Shopify. QuickBooks. Amazon. Labels. Print. Those are later series. They sit on this spine. If the spine is weak, the connector only copies the mess faster. POS, email marketing, dashboards, and settings. The extra faces of the same platform. Point of sale uses the same products. The till is not a second ERP. Email marketing talks to contacts you already have. That is the spine. 10 episodes on the platform. If the counter sells, use POS on the same products. Do not buy a connector until quote to cash works. There is no episode 11 in this series. What comes next is not another Odoo app. It is a connector, and only after quote to cash already works. Shopify, QuickBooks, Amazon sit on this spine. If the spine is weak, the connector copies the mess faster. Comment the name of the app you want us to teach next. Thank you for listening to Odoo in practice. Visit www.webbycrown.com or contact us at sales@webbycrown.com.